Alright, this is one of those times I should have had the camera on. So, yeah, I am on Deals Gap on the north side of the overlook. Just past the hair turn. I come out of the hair turn, heavy on the throttle, come around a turn. There are two Blount County deputies with their Harleys, and they have right about 8 people pulled over, 4 on each side of the road, writing tickets. Was not expecting that. So now I got the camera on. It's a Saturday. It's been raining all week. As you can see, US 129 is wet. But if there's 2, you know there's going to be more. But I have seen some amazing sports cars out today. Like a Lotus with temp tags. Who doesn't know how to use a pull-off? And I'm pretty sure that little Lotus could go through here at the speed limit without ever hitting the brakes at any turn. But why learn to drive or ride before you decide to come visit Deals Gap? That's why this road is no longer a 55-mile-an-hour highway. It is so easy to break the 30-mile-an-hour speed limit on this road. I've seen so many police today. Ticket sales must have been down this past week because it was raining so much. And it's the last day of the month. So they got to get out here and get writing. Yeah, it's almost 10 a.m. And I don't even want to guess at how many cops I've seen already this morning. And they know writing tickets isn't about safety. Every cop knows that writing a ticket isn't about safety. It's just revenue generation. If it were about safety, randomly down this road, they would just park a motorcycle or a car in the pull-off, and that would slow everybody down. As dark as the windows are on patrol cars these days, you can't even see if there's an officer in the car. They wouldn't even have to put somebody in the car. But what do I know? What do I know? I'm just going to ride down the mountain without being a fool and try to avoid getting a ticket. However, no one coming at me has tapped their helmet or flashed their lights, so there might not be anybody else on this road yet. It's still early. US 129 Slayer. I've seen a lot of big groups of gull wings too this morning. Oh, it must be a Camaro weekend. I went by a group of Camaros down by the lake. It's about 30 of them parked alongside the lake, all taking their pictures.